If you're thinking of getting the e.l.f. brow lamination gel, then this is my honest review. I've been wearing it now for a few months every day, and I find it's the strongest one I've found. Like, it stays up almost all day. I first got a bit alarmed because if you see here, it's white. So I first thought, oh my gosh, this is gonna look so obvious. It actually dries clear. And what you do is you apply this to your brows, and then you come in with the brushes. And here you can see the difference. So this one I've laminated, and this one I haven't. So as you can see, this is much higher. You can see how strong it is, and as you see, there's no whiteness. It's become clear now. What I love about e.l.f. is that they have quite clean ingredients and cruelty-free ingredients as well. So yeah, if you're looking for a brow laminating gel that will stay in place all day and look really good, then I highly recommend. I had it on the other day, and actually my sister was like, oh, have you like laminated your brows? Did you get it like professionally done? And I was like, no, I'm just using a gel.